It was like at the end of the first year, I come to you and say, I got to stop drinking. And we had just, I mean, I'm telling you, that first year, it was incredible, but it was like, it was on. And, I could go pretty hard back then. And so, I came to you and I said, I got to stop drinking. And on December the 27th, 2005, I had my last drink 4 days before the biggest party night of the year. And then we got engaged and were married that next August. So my life radically changed because my best friend alcohol was now gone, and so it's a very uncomfortable period. But I don't know what was that like, and I kind of boop dropped that bomb, and then it was hard. Our engagement and early years of marriage.
Well, the funny thing about that, but not haha funny, but just, funny thing about that was before he came to me and told me he was going to stop drinking, I had already started thinking to myself, I'm not so sure that I want to continue to date this person. He's drinking a lot more than what I want to. I'm really ready to start settling down and not staying up to 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. And I was really ready. Although I was partying with him, it wasn't to the degree that he was. And so I was really ready in my life to stop behaving that way. I don't. So when he came to me, I was like, oh my gosh, thank goodness. But it was hard because all of our friends, our family, the people around us that we were always with were drinking as well. And so when he decided, that didn't mean that I was going to stop drinking, right? So we were still, I was still drinking, and our friends and all were still drinking. And I noticed how hard it was on him to be around us while we were drinking and he was not. So I loved him enough and saw that that was really hurting him. There was